Hazrat Mughira bin Shu'bah radiyallahu anhu states that one night during a journey I was going along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked me, "Do you have any water?" I replied, "Yes." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then dismounted and proceeded towards a direction until he sallallahu alaihi wasallam went out of sight in the darkness of the night. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then came back and I started to pour water from the receptacle. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam washed his face, as he was then wearing a tight woolen robe. His forearms could not be drawn out from them. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then drew them from underneath the gown, and then washed the forearms and passed wet hands over the head. I then intended to remove his leather socks, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Leave them, for I wore them with ablution intact." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then passed wet hand over the leather socks. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 630.